Hey guys, what is up? My name is Amanda Kotel, and today I'm excited to talk to you about the FoliNu Advanced Hair Growth Starter Kit. So I've been subscribed to this program for about 6 months now, and I've been loving it. And so every month you get the FoliNu Advanced Hair Growth Rejuvenation formula. It's a shampoo, and you get the Advanced Hair Growth formula, which is a capsule. You take this 2 times a day, 2 capsules twice a day. I take this religiously. This thing has been the godsend for me. So I've been suffering from this thing called Hashimoto's thyroiditis. It's an autoimmune condition, and if you don't know what that is, often you'll find that you'll get brittle hair. Your hair, you might have cut it off and it won't grow back. You start to see thinning. Even your nails and your skin just aren't like they used to be. So for me, since I started using this about 6 months ago, I'm starting to get like the little baby hairs growing back where it was like starting to bald really. And then, my hairbrush was full of tons of hair and it was just breaking everywhere, and I was feeling it in the drains, and it was really stressful for me. So I was really excited to try this, and this has been a godsend for me. You also get in your starter pack the FoliNu Health and Hair Digital Magazine. This thing is awesome because it gives you tips and tricks on how to stay healthy, how to treat your hair every month. Gives you great tools like lifestyle, nutrition, fitness, everything that you need in your email. Every month you get a digital download of a new book. It's awesome. So each month the subscription is these 2 amazing products, plus the digital download. Your first month is $100 off the retail value, which is a screaming deal. And then every month thereafter is 30% off retail value. So, you've got nothing to lose. Well, maybe your hair. So, guys, it's an amazing deal, and you literally should try this. Your hair will thank you.